Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program sponsored by taxbuddy.com. First, let us look at the global cues and then the local cues. And globally, it is the same story again. And all over the world, the markets are just consolidating, waiting for a bigger trigger either on the upside or on the downside. On the downside, so people are expecting the second wave of coronavirus, or what they call it as Delta variant of coronavirus. But India is distinctly bullish. So that's because India has already gone through the second wave. The second wave completed and we have more or less completely recovered from the second wave. In between, people were talking about the third wave. When the first wave came, nobody talked about the second wave. The second wave comes, everybody will talk about the third wave. Now, nobody will talk about the fourth wave. If the third wave comes, then they will talk about the fourth wave. But right now, by looking at the cases all over the world, the Delta variant of coronavirus or the second wave is not really that severe. And probably, so many governments may be highlighting this in order to force their people to take the coronavirus vaccine. So that could be one theory. So globally, markets are consolidation. Even yesterday also, the US markets closed at record high, but not significantly higher, a little bit here and there. Coming back to the local cues, even in local markets also, in Indian markets also, it is only few stocks that are going higher. Look at all the auto stocks. Maruti all-time high 10,000, now it is 7,000. A Hero MotoCorp 3,500, now 2,800. And look at the mid cap and small cap. In fact, in the last 1 week, large cap higher, Bank Nifty higher, but small cap and mid caps are actually down. Mid cap is down by about 1% and small cap is down by about 2%. And this huge rally has been mostly contributed by IT stocks. So now the question is, we have crossed 16,000, now we have crossed 16,500. And looking at the open interest, people are just closing their eyes and selling only the put option. The call option, they are selling only at 17,000. So the markets looks very, very bullish if you go by the options thing. And people are not ready to sell call option. And because in the recent past, whoever sold the call option, so they are all in trouble. But somehow I feel that markets should consolidate, because in the last 3 weeks, Nifty shot up from 15,500 to 16,500. Is a 1,000 point rally in 3 weeks time. And if at all, the rally has to continue, now it is the banking stocks that has to move higher. And of course, there are some indications. HDFC Bank, the results came and it has fallen more than 100 rupees, and people said the results are not good, but now almost the entire 100 rupees has recovered. Even yesterday, there was some unwinding in the call options. So if HDFC Bank starts moving higher, then ICICI Bank and Kotak Bank following, and then Bank Nifty, we have to remember, when the Nifty hit 15,300, 400 in February, the Bank Nifty hit 37,700. Even now, it is nearly 1,700 point lower. Its Bank Nifty is around 36,000. So more than 1,500 point lower. So if this 1,500, 1,700 point rally comes, if the Bank Nifty tries to test the previous all-time high, then the Nifty can go to 17,000. And that is why people are not interested in selling call options in the near strike price. They are selling only at 17,000. Coming week, one day is a public holiday. So there are only 4 trading sessions. For the weekly expiry, we have only 3 more trading sessions. And last week, there were some 4 public issues. Devyani International, Krishna Diagnostics, XRO Tiles, and Windlass Biotech. So they all will be listed this week. And IPO market will be more active, and more IPOs we can expect. So overall, last week performance was bullish in large cap, mid cap and small cap, not so bullish. And coming week, we can expect the mid cap and small cap to catch up with the large caps. Large caps may consolidate, and particularly we have to keep watching the top 3 banks, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank and Kotak Bank, for any further rally in Bank Nifty. So further rally in Bank Nifty required to take the Nifty higher, otherwise Nifty is likely to consolidate. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.